Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So if you're planning on moving to Grande Prairie, or if you're living in Grande Prairie and you want to know what neighborhood to live in this video we will be showing you guys communities to live in Grande Prairie. If you're new here, my name is Dems.
I'm Nat.
Welcome back to the Anderson's family. If you are new here guys, take a second to hit that subscribe button, smash a like on the video and drop a comment. Come along guys.
A surprise. I think I let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems.
First on our list you have Crystal Heights. This is a community located on the east side of Grande Prairie beside Cobblestone. Now we really like this neighborhood just because of how the houses are set up, and plus it's very affordable from what we can see. Next on our list you have Crystal Lake. This neighborhood is located close to the north side of the city and is located a couple minutes away from Prairie Mall. So if you live in this neighborhood, the mall would be in walking distance from where you live. Now we really like this neighborhood because it has one of the most beautiful parks in Grande Prairie. And this is one of the spots that we come to in the summer, in the winter, just to get that nice relaxation. As you can see, there's a lake right here that is frozen in the winter, and in the summertime it's one of those spots that you can come and you can feed the birds and you can really relax. We really love it.
That's why I fade into this bitter taste. I think I'll let it be.
Welcome to Royal Oaks. Now this is a neighborhood you would feel very comfortable calling home. This is located 5 minutes away from the new hospital, so you can get there in walking distance. Royal Oaks is a really nice neighborhood with really nice houses and one of those places you'll be proud to call home. Welcome to Whispering Ridge. This is one of the newer communities here in Grande Prairie. This neighborhood was recently built, probably in 2016, so not that long ago. So all the houses are brand new. As you can see, they are very modern and very spacious. Now this is one of the, I'd say, upper middle class communities here in Grande Prairie. It's located very close to Royal Oaks, so it's also pretty close to the new hospital. And as I said, these houses are amazing. We are now on the south side of the city and we're now at Grand Banks. Now Grand Banks is located close to the Eastlink Center, which is one of the most known recreational center here in Grande Prairie, Alberta. It's a fairly new subdivision as well, so the houses are pretty new, I'd say underneath 10 years old. So Grand Banks is one of those communities that is pretty new, still being developed, and it's located on the south side of the city. We are still on the south side of the city and we are stopping at Country Club West. Now this community is located on the south side of the city as well. And this is one of the communities that is also very close to the Eastlink Center and very close to Grand Banks. Now these houses are a little bit older than the one that we just saw in Grand Banks, but they're still pretty well developed, well maintained, and pretty modern as well.
On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to.
Welcome to Swan EV. This is one of the oldest communities here in Grande Prairie, Alberta, and it's widely known for having the first school in the city of Grande Prairie. Now, it's a much older community, as I just mentioned. It's one of the first communities, so the houses are a little bit older, but I wanted to feature it because even though they are older, I still think they are in very good condition, and it's a very good neighborhood to live in.
You say that I'm crazy, it's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. You
And finally on our list today, guys, you have Carriage Lane. Now, Carriage Lane was one of those neighborhoods that we were in awe when we visited for the first time. We have never seen houses this big before moving to Canada. So as you can probably tell, this is where the rich and famous of Grande Prairie lives. And it's one of those neighborhoods that every time I go there, I just want to take pictures. This is one of the neighborhoods that I would say has some of the biggest houses in Grande Prairie. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. I really hope that you guys learned about some of the communities that's here in Grande Prairie. If you're watching this and you are from Grande Prairie and you've seen your community, please do not hesitate to just drop in the comment section. Let us know what you think about your community and what are some benefits of living in your neighborhood, so that for persons who are thinking of somewhere to live, they can know that they have options. Now, these are just 7 of the communities that we chose to feature today. There's a lot more neighborhoods in Grande Prairie. We'll probably do a part 2 to this video where we'll feature 7 more communities, 7 more neighborhoods, so persons can know all their options. If you have chosen to come to Grande Prairie, congratulations. You have chosen a fantastic city to move to. There's tons of opportunities, and you know what? There's a lot of room for a lot more of you guys to come. Whether you're in Canada or you're outside of Canada, consider Grande Prairie to be your next destination. Consider Grande Prairie to be your next home. And if you haven't subscribed already, take a second to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. Smash a like on this video and drop a comment. Let us know what you think, not only about this video, but let us know what you think about all the other videos that's on our channel. Alright guys, thank you so much again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.